Rain battered the attic window as Mark sat hunched over the antique typewriter. He found it at a yard sale, keys polished, bell sharp, a relic with a whispering allure. Tonight he planned to finish his novel, but the words didn't come from him. His fingers danced, but the story unfolded on its own. Mark sits alone, unable to stop typing, rain pelting the glass. He froze. He hadn't written that. He tried to stand, but his legs wouldn't obey. The keys clacked on. He panics, trapped in his own attic, heart pounding. Sweat dripped down his brow. He screamed, but the typewriter recorded it. He screams, but no one hears. The bell chimed with every line, louder, mocking. Mark's vision blurred as the typewriter continued. His breath grows shallow, his eyes widen in terror. He fought to tear his hands away, but they clung to the keys, muscles rigid, pain searing through his arms. The final words appeared. Mark is gone. Only the typewriter remains, waiting. The machine fell silent. In the attic, only the typewriter sat, its keys glistening, ready for the next story to write itself.